Ayo Fayose, the former governor of Ekiti State, he said that the PDP governors prefer President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be in power in 2027 than Atiku, the presidential candidate of their party in the 2023 presidential election. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now the big question is, how is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu better than Atiku? In what way is he better than Atiku that PDP governors will prefer him to Atiku? But while speaking with Channels Television, Ayo Fayose said one fundamental issue is that he said that the PDP governors are fighting for survival, and Atiku is not the solution to their survival. That they will fight for their survival by themselves. They need Atiku to fight for their survival. Perhaps that is the core issue, and that is what I'm going to address in this video. Many of the PDP governors, they are seeking for second term. And many of them, their hands are not clean. They have one issue or the other. Skeletons in cupboards. A typical example, you may be aware of it, is the PDP Governors Forum chairman, the governor of Bauchi State, Bola Ahmed. The Tinubu administration has grabbed his money man, the accountant general of the state, accusing him of money laundering and all kinds of things. Billions. I can't remember the exact number of billions. Could be over 90 billion we're talking about here. He has been with the EFCC. And these people are desperate to extricate themselves from one problem or the other. So it is not the reason why they may say that they prefer Tinubu is not because they love Tinubu. It is because Tinubu is the one holding the yam and the knife now. He is the one in control of the ICPC, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Offences Related Commission, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Tinubu is controlling these two powerful agencies that the PDP governors are scared of. Already they are showing an example with Bola Ahmed grabbing his attorney general. And you can see the public spat that Bola Ahmed is having with Atiku, the son of Atiku. The son of Bola Ahmed said that Atiku never supported his father. Why are they saying it now? It's all part of to generate crisis, playing to show Tinubu that they are doing his bidding. Obviously. And I have said it before, that PDP is not likely to have a presidential candidate. But if they are to have, they are going to have a weak candidate like Bola Ahmed, who will be there just symbolically so that the international community will think that there was an election in Nigeria. the PDP participated. They had a presidential candidate in the person of Bola Ahmed, so that APC can rig the election. Bola Ahmed and the PDP cannot challenge him. Cannot challenge them. Even if they challenge them, it's just for the optics. They know that nothing will come out of it. So Fayose is telling Nigerians that the PDP governors are not with Atiku, that they are with Tinubu. But why would they be with a failed government? Why would they be with a government in which insecurity had increased more than ever before? The economy has collapsed more than ever before. Naira is grasping for bread. Poverty has quadrupled more than they met it before. The cost of fuel had more than increased by more than 100% since they came in. So on what basis would they support a government that had worsened the state of the Naira, the state of the Nigerian nation, or of course the Naira? If not because they are pursuing their personal interest, and that their personal interest is not in the interest of their states or the interest of Nigeria. They are running away from being held accountable. That's the only reason why any governor, be it PDP, be it any party, will be singing the praises of Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration, a government that most Nigerians have written off as a failure. Already you know, the governor of Akwa State, Pastor Eno, he has already said that Tinubu will do 8 years, thereby foreclosing the possibility of PDP having any presidential candidate. And even if they had Akwa doesn't care. Akwa PDP doesn't care. Even the governor of Delta State, he has said that Tinubu will do 8 years. The governor of Delta State said that he will leave office the day that Tinubu will leave office in 2031. Are you seeing that? It's all about their own personal interest. It is all about their personal interest and not about the interest of their people. So their preference for Tinubu is not because Tinubu is better than Atiku. It's not because Tinubu is doing anything fantastic for the economy of Nigeria. It's not because insecurity has reduced under Tinubu. It is simply because they don't want to be held accountable by institutions like the EFCC and the ICBC. So they want to flow with Tinubu. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the governors said. It doesn't matter what the PDP governors want. Whether they prefer Tinubu or they prefer Atiku or they prefer anybody. At the end of the day, the 2027 election should be determined by what the Nigerian people prefer. Who do they want? Is it Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whose governance has worsened poverty in Nigeria, worsened insecurity in Nigeria, worsened the state of the Naira in Nigeria, worsened the cost of fuel in Nigeria? Is he the preferred candidate? A man who ran a Muslim ticket and created divisions and is running the most nepotistic government in history. Is he the person that Nigerian people will prefer? Is it Atiku Abubakar? Atiku Abubakar is not a new name when it comes to the allegations of corruption. So many allegations of corruption have been linked to him. Like Tinubu former President Olusegun Obasanjo devoted a lot of time on corruption allegations about Tinubu and Atiku. Now, are these people the people that they should choose in 2027? Or would Nigerians prefer a break? Somebody with impeccable character, somebody with no trace of corruption, who has capacity, like Peter Obi. Which one should we go for? It is left for the Nigerian people to decide. And Nigerian people can only do that by voting and defending their votes. I think they are the ones that will have the final say, and not Fayose, and not the PDP governors. It should be the Nigerian people. But if Nigerian people abdicate that power given to them by the ballot, and allow that power to slip from their hands and determined by the governors, then what we got in 2023 will be a child's play to what we'll get in 2027. In 2027, they can just write the result. You don't even need to go and vote. They will just write the result and announce it. But the Nigerian people can vote and defend their votes. And once they see that Nigerian people are ready to vote and defend their votes, like Chibike Rotimi Amechi suggested sometimes ago, when they discover that Nigerian people are ready to die for democracy, to protect their votes, they will allow the will of the people to stand. And it will be material what the governors think. It will be the will of the people that will determine who becomes what in 2027. I don't know what you think about this. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.